Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to create Hotmail account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your mobile device, first of all open up Chrome application. Once you open up, on the search URL type in hotmail.com. Here, as you can see on the screen, we have land on Microsoft Outlook page. Microsoft has rebranded its Hotmail email service to Outlook several years ago, so creating a Hotmail account is no longer possible. However, we can create a Microsoft account which will give you access to Outlook.com and other services. So here is how we can create a Microsoft account. First of all, on this interface, tap on the option that says Create Free Account. Now here you have to type in the new email address that you want to use as your Outlook email address, but you can also use your existing email address. Here I will go with a new one. Once you're done with that, tap on next. If someone already has this email address, you have to try the another one. Here I'll go with the one that is suggested or that is available. So select the one that is available and then again tap on next. Now here, choose a secure password for your Microsoft account and make sure it meets the password requirement, including a mix of letters, symbols and numbers. After you're done with that, tap on next. Here you have to enter your first name and your surname. Then again tap on next. Now you have to provide your country or region and then your date of birth. After you're done with that, tap on next again. Now here you have to verify your identity. For that, tap on next and complete the given captcha right here. It says you have to use an arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of that hand with the arrow using here on the interface. Once you're done with that, tap on submit. After you complete your verification, you will land on this page that says stay signed in. So if you want to save your login credentials for the next time you log in, tap on yes, or else you can also tap on no. Here I'll go with yes. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully created a Microsoft account which can be used to access your Outlook or other Microsoft services. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.